Hi guys, today I'll be doing a makeup look inspired by Daenerys Targaryen since the final seasons of Game of Thrones is upon us. First, some lip balm. Starting at the center of my face with a mixture of Innisfree Whitening Pore Cream and NYX Pore Filler Primer. I'll be using NYX Color Correcting Palette Beige Shade for my under eye. With my favorite Total Control Drop Foundation from NYX. Spreading out with a brush, then blending it with a sponge. Using this concealer from Dr. Jart to hide my dark circles and blemishes. I'll be using another concealer from Dr. Jart, which is a lot paler with a pink undertone to bring out Daenerys Targaryen's pale complexion. Here, I'm using this Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, which is really pale, neutral undertone to bring out light to my forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. I'll be setting my face with Skin Food Peach Multi Finish Powder. For my eyebrows, I'll be using Etude House Slim Drawing Pencil in black, as this Daenerys of Targaryen has really dark and strong eyebrows. Then, I'll conceal the bottom part of my eyebrows to make my eyebrows appear a lot more straighter. I'll be using Can Make Eyebrow Palette to contour. To imitate Mother of Dragon's deep feature, I'll use the darker shade with a smaller brush to focus on the area between my eyes and nose. I'll also do it on my crease. Now, with Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion, I'll be using Colourpop Fame Palette with these two matte shades. Also, this brown from Urban Decay Born to Run palette to bring a little bit more warmth to my eye. Also, the darker brown near my lash line. Then, I'll be using this highlight for my inner corners. Also, a matte highlight for my brow bones. Then, a gel liner from Vanilla Co. Followed by brow gel from Colourpop for even fluffier looking brows. Now, I'll be using this liquid liner from Maybelline. Then I'll be using some blushes, mainly focusing on the outer part of my cheeks. After curling my lashes, I'll be using Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes. Using Natasha Denoa's Glow Highlighter, I'll bring some highlight to my face. I'll use this tint balm to give my lips a natural color and hydration. The last step will be Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, please subscribe and give it a like. Also follow me on my Instagram at GYREmily.